Hi, today is June 2022. Okay, welcome back to this live stream. This episode, we are going to split the whole live streams into two sections. The section one is what is the latest update, what is happening on MM2H program in June, okay, which you need to pay attention to. Now on the second part, I will explain to everyone again on the general requirements of MM2H, the Malaysians My Second Home programs, and also the documents required from you. And most importantly, I will also show you how to calculate the visa fees. Okay, now the visa fees is affected by several factors, so I'll show you on section 2 how to calculate your visa fees. Now, all right, before we start, if you have any questions, please write to me now, or leave your comments if you are watching a replay. Okay, and also please remember to subscribe to my channels and click like, and also let me know where are you watching from. Okay, now let us go to part 1 of today's live streams about the latest update in June. Now, as we know, after end of March this year, the whole process of processing your application has been expedited. Okay, the government put a lot of efforts to expedite the whole processing lead times. Now, before if you apply in January, February, or even March, you will see your average processing time, average lead times is around 3 months. Okay, sometimes it even go to 4 months. But if you are applying in April or May, you will find that there are a lot of applicants who got their approval granted within slightly more than a month, or within 2 months. Now that is an improvement from the government side, which is very good news to every applicant. The government have put a lot of effort to expedite the whole programs. All right, now this is what happens in June. If you have applied in April or May, you will see that your approval, either you have granted the approval or you will be receiving your approval very soon. Now this is what happens in June. Even I have a lot of applicants who have granted their approval just slightly more than 1.5 months. It's super quick now. Okay, now on the second update is that some of the applications, all right, the immigrations may request additional supporting documents. Now, normally this additional supporting document is your bank statements or your FD statements from your own country. Now, even this is very rare case. Okay, if the agents present your case to the immigrations in a good way, maybe 97% you will not be requested on the additional documents. Only in some very rare case, okay, in some extreme case, you may be requested, but not to worry too much, not to emphasize too much on this. Anyway, I just let everyone know. And the update number 3, which has happened in May, is that at this time, all 4 categories, whether you are applying the special economic zones, whether you are applying the silver, gold, or platinum programs, they may have some interview. They may have interview by the Royal Malaysian Police Force. This will be on a random pick basis. So it may not be you, but just prepare. It could be you. It will be on the random pick basis. But the question is that where the interview will take place and what happens if the applicants do not speak English. Will they provide you with an interpreter, or will the police ask the agents to come along as an interpreter? Now, this I'm not too sure. We haven't got any clear answer from the MOTAC at the moment. So just be prepared to be a pickup to have a short interview. Yep. This is one more thing. And in June, we have already know that to apply the withdrawal of your fixed deposit, okay, to apply for the fixed deposit, if you have bought your property 2 years before the visa endorsement, you still can apply to withdraw your FD. Now, this is a very good news for those who have already bought property in Malaysia and now you wish to apply for the MM2H. Okay, this is a super good news from the government. And for those who have not buy your property, you will be given 1 year from the date of endorsement to select, to choose your property. And as an agent, we need to help you to submit your sales and purchase agreements to the government, to the MOTAC. Now this is very important. Please take note on this. And also please do not wait until very last minute. Give yourself roughly 10 months to complete the whole process, because you need a month or two in case something happened to the your purchase process. So take note on that. And also the government and the agency, the nationwide, we will have a briefing on the next coming Wednesday, which is on the 25th of June. So if you have any suggestions, or any good suggestions, I may be able to bring your suggestions to the government. Of course, I myself have already listed down a lot of questions or suggestions that I need to raise the issue to MOTAC. Of course, if you have any questions, leave the question to me, leave your suggestion to me, so that on Wednesday, if I have an opportunity, I will present your case to MOTAC. Okay, now this is very important. And what else? And please remember to subscribe to my channel, click like and leave your comment either now or either later if you are watching replays. Okay, basically this is the update for June, okay, 2025. And now we'll go to part 2. I will explain to you in general, okay, what will the whole programs on the Malaysians My Second Home in a very brief way, and also the document required. And most importantly, at the end of this live stream, I will show you how to calculate your visa fees. Okay, stay tuned. Now, give me a sec. Now let me get my iPad ready. Okay, now you will see this. Let me delete this. Let me delete the whole thing. Okay, now this chart here is in bi-language. You will see the Chinese and English at the same time. And okay, let me enlarge the screen. If you can see that, yeah, okay, it will be good this way. Now, on the left hand bottom, it is my WhatsApp QR code. If you have any questions that you wish to know, or if you wish to apply MM2H, you may contact me on this side. Okay, There's a QR code on my WhatsApp. Okay, now let us go to the I don't know if everyone, I forget to turn on the mic. I don't know if anyone can still listen to this. It's a big mistake from me. Just hang on a minute. Let me get my mic. Just a silly mistake from me. I just forget to turn on my mic. Okay, just give me a sec. Just give me a sec. Okay. It will just take maybe a minute or less. Hello. All right, done. Okay, let me put on my mic here. Okay, can everyone hear me loud and clear now? Okay, just give me a feedback. Please let me know where are you watching from. Are you have you got anyone from the North America? Have you got anyone view from European countries? Singapore, our neighbor. What about Singaporeans? Have you got anyone from China, Hong Kong, Taiwan, Japan, and Korea? What's about Australia and ANZAC? Indonesia, Thailand? Okay, just leave me a message. Okay, now this is a chart, a simple chart that contains all the basic information that you need to know. You see that this is for platinum, okay, gold program, silver, and the special economic zone. Now the minimum age, okay, minimum age 25, 25, 25, but for special economic zone 21 years old. Now at this age, most of the applicants may still have not finished their college or university. Now FD, the fixed deposit. Now upon your application is granted, okay, you need to put for platinum 1 million US dollar, okay, this is US dollar, 1 million US dollar into any commercial banks in Malaysia, okay. It is not kept by the government, it is in your own account in Malaysia in any of your preferred commercial bank. All right. And for gold program is 500,000, half a million US dollar. For silver, it is merely 150,000 US dollar. For special economic zone, now in special economic zone, you have two categories. One is for those applicants who are below 50 years old. It is only 65 grand US dollar. For those who have exceeded 50 years old or 50 years old, is only 32 grand US dollar. So it is very affordable for special economic zone, but there's also some setback. Okay, we will continue from that. And the participation fees, okay, now you still need to pay the government's in a one-off, okay, one-off. It is free for dependents, only for the principal applicants. One-off for platinum is 200,000, all right, and then it dropped sharply. For the gold is 3,000, for silver is 1,000, for special economic zone is 1,000 ringgit. Okay, now this is ringgit. Please remember, for your FD it is in US dollar. Of course, if you want to keep your put your FD in ringgit, it is still it is acceptable. It is between you got options to choose whether you put your money in US dollar, in greenback, or in ringgit. So and then you need to buy a property. This is a mandatory, okay, it's not an option. Now for platinum, it is 2 million ringgit, okay, a minimum of 2 million ringgit, or stated by the state government. Now for gold program, it is 1 million and for the silver it is 600,000. Now remember, this 600,000 is only to fulfill the requirements of MM2H. You still have to compare the minimum purchase price for foreigner by individual states. Alright, now example in KL, a foreigner can buy any property with a minimum purchase price of 1 million or above. So between 600,000 for MM2H and 1 million ringgit set by the state council, the 1 million ringgit will take place. Okay, whichever is higher. Now that you have to follow now, right? And then when to buy? Okay, you have you will be given 1 year. 1 year after your visa endorsement. Now this is for only silver. Okay, for silver, gold and platinum. Now for special economic zone, for SEZ. Now this is very special. Now for SEZ, you must buy your property before your visa will be endorsed on your passport. Now this is a basic difference. Okay, for SEZ, it is very low price, affordable, but you have to buy property before visa is given to you. Unlike the other 3 categories, silver, gold and platinums, you will be given 1 year to do so. Okay, let's continue. Property type. Okay, now for silver, gold and platinum, okay, now you can buy a new property or even a second-hand property, or in other terms a sub-sales property. But in a special economic zone, only first-hand property direct from developer is allowed. Okay, now dependents. Now all children, whether it is your biological children, stepchildren, adopted children, that is fine. Parents-in-law, now that is also alright for all your related family member or direct family members. Now foreign maid, if you would like to bring your maid from your own country to Malaysia under this program, it is allowed, but it is only for platinum. Okay, only for platinum is allowed. Gold is not allowed. Silver is not allowed for silver, and special economic zone, no. And the program validity. Okay, program validity. Now for platinum it is 20 years, but of course you must understand this 20 years is not given in one shot. It will be a maximum visa that will be endorsed on your passport is 5 years. So every 5 years you still have to extend to renew your visa every 5 years. Alright, again, please subscribe to my channel, click like and leave your comment if you have any questions to us to share. Alright, now for gold, this program is 15 years. For silver is 5 years. For special economic zone it is 10 years. Okay, and let's go up. And renewal after 20 years, your renewal will be for another additional 5 years. Each renewal will be only given 5 years, and you can renew multiple times from here. And you are paying the renewal fees of 5,000 for platinums, 3,000 for gold, and 1,500 for silver. And for special economic zone, it is merely 300 ringgit. All right, 300 ringgit. Oops. Let me do this. Okay. Okay. Now, and minimum stay 90 days. Okay, for every category it is 90 days. Now please remember, this 90 days is only applicable to principal applicants. If the principal applicant is less than 50 years old, alright, up to 49 years old, you have a minimum stay of 90 days per year. Now this 90 days per year is calculate start from 1st of January until 31st of December. Okay, the complete whole year, and it can be shared, it can be spread out amongst all your family members. So not to worry about that. It is easy to achieve 90 days because you can spread out. Dependents, okay, is not required to stay 90 days, and also anyone, including the principal, anyone who are age 50 years old or above, you are not subject to the 90 days requirements. All right. Let me know where you come from. Have you got any viewer from Singapore? Have you got any viewers in Malaysia, within Malaysia? Just let me know. Okay, business, investment, and employment. Now it is only yes for the platinum category. Okay, no for gold, no for silver, no for special economic zone. And you can use this MM2H pass for children's education up to tertiary education level, which is a university or college. But yeah, this is yes, 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 yes. But you still have to get a special endorsement on your passport, on your children's passport, if you would like to use the MM2H visa to study tertiary educations in Malaysia. Now the tax. Now this is a very crucial question. Tax. Now it will be a tax-free for any funds bring into Malaysia under the MM2H program. So it will give peace of mind to most of the applicants. It will be a tax-free if you are bringing in your money for the MM2H program's use. Okay, now this is basically the general briefing for the MM2H for all the four programs. And now I will show you the documents required, and later on I will brief everyone on the how to calculate your visa fees. Now this is a bit tricky. It's simple but tricky. Not to worry about that. If you have any questions, please write your questions now or leave your comment if you are watching a replay from any countries. All right. Let's see that. 1 minute. Okay, documents required. Just give me a sec. Let me prepare my iPad. All right. Oops, sorry. Okay, let me set up the iPad. Oh, it's done. It is here. Okay, if you have any questions, please write your question now during the live streams. Now, if you are applying as a single applicant, all right, for single applicant, what you need to provide me is your letter of good conduct, or in certain country it is called a police clearance check. Okay, these documents must be endorsed by the Malaysian High Commissions in your countries. Now this is very important. You can't just directly use the document from your countries in Malaysia. You still have to get it endorsed from your countries. And okay, this is under, if you are applying as individuals applicants. And also you must also write a simple CV, a resume from you, and also you must show you are actually employed. So the proof of employment is needed. Only these 3 documents. So it is very simple for single applicants. just show your letter of good conduct, and then write a simple CV. We got a form, and what you need to do is just fill in the form for the CV, and also send me a proof of employment. And sometimes, if the immigration is not convinced, they may ask you for additional documents. So just get ready, and most of the time the documents required will be your bank statement, but this is very rare. Okay, not to worry about that. This is very rare. Now if you are applying as a husband and wife, as a couple, okay, you have couple, and then you must prepare also your marriage certificate, and again must be notarized by Malaysian High Com. And you bring children, okay, if you are bringing children, your children's birth cert, you must show this. And if you are bringing your parents or in-law, and then your birth certificates, and or your wife or your spouse birth certificates must be produced to show that it is in a family relationship. Okay, now this is generally what what documents are required. It become a very simple now compared to 2023 or before that. Okay, during that time you need to prepare a lot of documents, including your income statements, a lot of things that you have to prepare. But right now it has been simplified quite a lot. And please let me know where are you come from, where are you watching from, whether you are watching now directly within Malaysia, or have you got any viewer from Singapore, US, Canada, European countries, China, Hong Kong, Taiwan, Japan, anyone, Korea, Australia, New Zealand, Indonesia, Thailand. Just let me know. Now oops, now let me in the last section, let me show you how your visa fees is calculated. Okay, this is very important to understand how your visa fees is calculated. Now let me prepare my iPad. Okay, now right, how to calculate your visa fees. Of course, this is not very important because your agents will show you this, I hope. And all this is how to calculate your visa fees. Okay, now maybe let me oops, I don't know. Okay, how to calculate your visa fees for the MM2H. Now the first thing that I need to know is that how many of you are actually applying. Now this is very important because your visa fees for your whole families is actually depend on the numbers of applicants. Okay, now this is the first question. Now the second question is that okay, now this is sorry, okay, let me show you. Now the visa fees, it depends on the countries that you are applying from, your passport holder. Now it will be ranging from 500 ringgit. Okay, let me put the note here. Okay, it will be starting from Malaysian ringgit 500 to 530 per year per applicant. Okay, per year per applicant. Now, but if the principal applicants, dependents. Oh, I'm sorry, you can't see that. Okay, the principal and dependents. Now, and then later on, it also depends on the passport expiry date. How many years before your passport goes expired? Now, this is Ryan Cole from Singapore. Okay, thank you, Ryan Cole from Singapore. Now, and your passport expiry. Passport expiry. Okay, it also depends on Stanley Lau. Okay, Stanley Lau. Proof of employment. What if I'm already retired and if I'm applying for the silver tier? Okay, proof of employment. Now, if you have retired, then it will depend on your age. Now, sometimes you will see people who are about 48, 45 to or below 50 years old that declare themselves as retired. Okay, they may have a lot of money. They may have accumulated a lot of wealth, but if you are below 50 and you declare yourself as a retired, now that is the time where supporting document will be very, very important to support your applications. Now, if you are really retired, say 65 years old, now you can just declare yourself as a retired people. Okay, I can give you a simple form to fill in just to declare you are retired. So that is even simple than employment. Now, even for employment, you need your company to certify that you are actually working for them. But if you are already retired, just fill in the form, declare yourself as retired, and of course, like what I say, hopefully your age will be 60 and above to support your retirement claim. Now, come back how to calculate your visa fees. Now, okay, the passport expiry. Now, if the principal have only 3 years before his or her passport is going to expire, right? And then all dependents, you will only have 3 years, no matter if your passport expiry date is 5 years, 6 years, or even 10 years. Now, that doesn't apply. All the dependents, all the visa durations must not more than the principal applicants. So if the principal applicants have 5 years visa, your dependents will have 5 years or less. Now, and then that will depend on your passport expiry. All right. Now, if the dependent's passport only have 3 years before expiry, and then he or she will get a 3 years, but the rest of the family members may have 5 years. But if the principal is the passport has only 2 years before expiry, everybody in the whole family will get your visa not more than 2 years. You cannot exceed, or you cannot have a visa where the validity is more than the principal, because you are actually attached to the principal. Okay, let's see the questions from Ryan Cole. I'm 49 this year. Should I wait 1 year or later so that I no need to fulfill the 90 days requirement? No, I don't think so. I think if you are interested in MM2H, please apply now. Don't wait. Why wait? Because the 90 days is calculated on a pro rata basis. Now, today is already the 3rd weeks of June. It's going to end for the whole June. So you have only half a year left for 2025. So that 90 days is calculated based on pro rata. So you have only need to fulfill 45 days. Now, even that, it is calculated if you are having your visa endorsed in 1st of July. Now, if you apply now, most probably you get your approval granted in it could be in September. Okay, and you may come to Malaysia after 2 months, and then it will take it will take another 2 months. It will be November. Now from November to December you have only 1 month, so you just calculate a simple mathematics. You have 1 month over 12 months and multiply by 90 days. Basically it will be just even about what, 1 week or less. So it will be just a simple mathematics. So 49 years old, apply now. Why wait? No need to wait. Please apply now. If you wish to apply, this is my QR code, my WhatsApp. You can contact me. Now let's come back to calculate the calculations. All right. Okay. Maybe I'll do it one more time. Now, the first factor is the principal passport expiry date. Okay, now you must note that all dependents visa durations must not, okay, let me do it this way. Okay, must not more than the principal. So if the principal have only 2 years and dependents, if you say you have 3 dependents, your spouse and 2 children, okay, now all this will follow you 2 years and 2 years. So the price is 500 to 530 ringgit per year per dependent. So now, and then this will be a simple mathematics to calculate. Let me put it here. Okay, now and then this will be a simple mathematics to calculate. Now, what if the principal, okay, case 2, what if the principal passport expiry you still have 7 years remaining? Okay, now if you have 7 years, you only will get 5 years for the principal, and then dependents, and then that will depend on the dependent's passport expiry. Now your spouse may have 5 years, but your children may have 2 years, and children's number 2 may have 3 years. So again, you need to calculate 500 to 530 multiplied by all the applicants, number of applicants. Okay, Stanley Lau, 56 years old, from the United States. All right, thank you for watching these live streams. Please remember to subscribe to my channels, click like, and comment if you have any questions. And that is what I say on Friday. On next coming Wednesday, on the 25th of June. We have a seminar with the government officials on the 25th of June. So if you have any suggestions, please write down, so let me know, so that if I got an opportunity, I will bring it to the government official and then let them think over it. Okay, the time now is 1:40 in the afternoon. This is today's live streams, already 40 minutes. Now in today's we have covered 2 different categories. The other one, the first one is that the update in June. Okay, what have happened in June, and the second part is the general requirements general rules of the 4 categories of Malaysia's My Second Home programs, and also the documents required, and also I have shown you the how to calculate your visa fees. All right. Today we have a Ryan call from Singapore, and then we have Stanley Lau from the United States. So for Ryans, you do not have to wait. I will advise you to apply now rather than wait, because you just don't know what will happen if you wait any longer. And for Stanley, 55 years old, you do not have to comply with the 90 days requirements now, and then it will be free for you. You can stay here for any durations that you wish. Okay, now maybe I can switch back to this page. Okay, maybe I'll clean the page for everyone. It will be not easy to read all this thing on your, if you are watching from a phone. If you are watching from a TV, now that may be able, you may be able to read that. Okay, I don't know, maybe. Okay, yep. And maybe I'll wait for another few minutes before I wrap up today's live streams. Just let me know if you need me to clarify on any other issue. Okay, if you need me to clarify on any issue, just let me know. And I try to have the live streams at between 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock on Sunday, but I can't promise you. Seems that every Sunday I will have some appointments on Sunday, so I try to stick to my schedule. Maybe I don't know, 12 o'clock. I try. Anyway, it will be somewhere between 12 o'clock and 1 o'clock. All right. What else can I share with you? Maybe let me check on this. What else can I check with you? Okay. Now this is how the approval letter look like. Okay. The approval letter will look like this. Right, there's you will see that. Now this is an old approval letter. The new approval letter will show you the category. Okay, it will show you the category that you are applying to. Category, whether you are applying for the special economic zones or the silver or gold or the platinum category. So this is the old old approval letter. You will also see the all the rules here. What are the what you need to comply to? Okay, you see this. You get this is for clearly for silver, 150,000 US dollar. Okay, this is very clear. This is for silver. And all these are the terms and conditions. Okay, so all these are terms and conditions that you have to comply with. Okay, and also this is what I said. You will see the pricing. Okay, you will also see the pricing here. How to calculate your visa fee. Now this has been calculated for you in your approval letter. Okay, you will see that. 500 for 5 years. This is the principal, this is the dependence, okay, for 5 years, and then dependence is and then you have processing fees, okay, 5,000 for principal and 2,500 for the dependence, and then you have all these numbers here, okay. You can just add up and it will give you a total. Okay, the total is here. So okay, have you got any questions from the viewer? We have 7 viewer watching the live stream at the moment. Okay, let me know where are you watching from. Are you watching from Singapore? Are you watching from the United States, Canada, or have you got any viewer from the European countries, or within the Malaysia? Have you got anyone from Malaysia? Now, I can also show you some interesting facts. Now, maybe I can show you. Okay, I don't know if you can't see very clearly. Okay, seems good. Now, this is the number of applicants, okay, during this year. Okay, 2015 there were 2,211 applicants. Okay, now this include the principal, and the dependents. 2016 is 3,347. 2017, okay, 2017 is the peak. Okay, the highest number achieved in 2017. There were 6,195 applicants and dependent as well. 2018, 5,610. 2019, this number seems dropped to 3,929. Now this is because on 2019, the government put an abrupt stop on the MM2H. Now the MM2H was under review for nearly 2 years. That is why the number dropped in 2019. Now, and then from last year onwards, okay, when the government launched the new MM2H last year, somewhere September last year, until now, from last September 2024 until March 2025, 6 months. Okay, the first 6 months, the numbers has already raised to nearly 2,000 applicants. Okay, this is for the first 6 months from September last year until March 2025. The numbers goes to 2,000 or very close to 2,000. I can't remember. It is 1,900 something to nearly 2,000. So I'm sure, given 2025, we have 6 months to go. We have 6 months to go, and this number, I believe, it will be somewhere ranked number 3, somewhere whether exceeded 2018 or catching up with 2017. Okay, raise 90. What if bought a house in 2019? Can it be used for the application? Yes, you can. Okay, raise 90. Yes, you can. Even if you have bought your property in 2019, you still can use the property to apply for the MM2H. But you can't apply to withdraw your FD. Okay, we know that you can apply to withdraw maximum, okay, at a cap of 50% from the FD that you keep in the bank. But if you already bought your property in 2019, I'm afraid you can apply, but you can't apply to withdraw the money. Only those who have bought your property even before applications, okay, you can backtrack to 2 years before the visa endorsement date. Okay, for example, if you have applied 3 months ago and now approved, and in June you got your visa endorsed. Finally, you get your visa endorsed in your passport. Okay, from today you can backtrack to 2 years, which means that 2023, if you bought your property after June 2023, now you can use that property to apply, and also you can use that property to apply for withdrawal of your FD. Alright, so for raise 90, you can apply, no problems, but you just can't withdraw your money. Alright, if you can let me know, raise 90, where are you come from which country? Just let me know from which country. Okay, I'm trying to have my live stream each Sunday at 12 or 1 o'clock. I try to fix it times. Hopefully it will be 1 o'clock. Right. Let me see if I can share with you anything else, or what else you want me to share with you. You can just let me know what else you would like me to share with you. Now, and this is also very important. Let me share with you the general flow. Okay, in the application process, the general flow. The general process. Okay, now this is the general process. Okay, first of all, you need to sign an agreement with us, or with any of the licensed agency. Okay, sign an agreement. Now, for my company, you have to make a 10% payment, and then you have to prepare your documents. Okay, prepare document, and then we will screen through your documents, and we'll officially submit your application to the government, and then the government will take times to process your applications. Now, this will be on average 90 days. Okay, on average 90 days, but in May and June 2025, the whole lead time seems to be shortened. Okay, the government has expedited the applications process, which is a very, very good news, a very, very good effort from the Malaysian government. Okay, now this must I must give them a big applaud for this. And then after that, you get your conditional approval. Okay, once you get your conditional approval, you can come to Malaysia to do 3 things. Okay, for medical check. Okay, medical check, and then your account opening. Okay, because you need to keep your money in the bank account, and also to buy insurance. Okay, buy insurance. Now, for insurance, it is mandatory for everyone who are 60 years old and below 60 years old up to 55. Okay, if you are 60 years old and above, this is not mandatory. You can buy, you can opt to buy, or you can just proceed without any insurance. All right, now that is okay. And then once you have done these 3 things, and then you can do a visa endorsement. Now, remember, this is only for silver, gold, and platinum. Now, this doesn't apply to special economic zone, because in special economic zone, you need to buy your property. You need to submit the sales and purchase agreements. So you need to buy property first before you get your visa endorsement. So this process is only for silver, gold, and platinum categories. And then you have 1 year to do so, to choose your dream home. Okay. Yep, Riot 90. If you can let me know where are you from, whether you are watching from Malaysia, whether you are from Singapore, anywhere, just let me know, so that at least I know who are watching from the back screen. All right, and we still have 7 people online watching the live streams, and it has been the time now is 1:55 in Kuala Lumpur. So maybe I can wait for another additional 5 minutes. Okay, if you have any questions, write to me now or leave me a comment if you are watching a replay from your countries. So today is 22nd of June 2025. Welcome back to this episode of live streams on the Malaysians My Second Home programs, MM2H. All right. If you would like to meet me, okay, make an appointment with me at 2:30. I have one appointment from applicants from the United States, and at 4 o'clock I will have another appointment also from the United States at today. So if you would like to know more about MM2H, if you would like to talk to me, please let me know so that I can arrange sessions, arrange 1 hour sessions specially for you, either face to face or either online. Okay, either through Zoom meetings or either through WhatsApp. Okay, I can arrange a 1 hour sessions for you. At this time, the whole MM2S program actually received quite overwhelming response from all applicants over the world, right? And maybe I can show you the top 10 countries that apply to MM2H 2025. Okay, number 1 China, number 2 Taiwan, number 3 Hong Kong, number 4 Singapore, number 5 the United Kingdom, number 6 USA, number 7 from Bangladesh. A bit surprised. Sorry, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Number 8 is Myanmar. Okay, surprise. Number 9 from Indonesia. Okay, number 10 from Korea. Now compare. Maybe I can show you on the screen. Okay, let me show you on the screen 2025 before 2019. Okay, maybe I can show you on the screen. It will be easier for you to see. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, now maybe I can show you this if you can see that. Can you? No, it's blur. The camera takes some time to focus. Oh no. Maybe I'm doing this. Okay, on the right hand side is before the ranking is before 2019. On the right hand side is 2025, this year. Look at the ranking. Okay, you can look at the ranking. The camera is still not focusing very well. Yeah, it is not focusing very well. It could be a setting problems. But anyway, I think you can see, you still can see the blur image. You still can see that. I don't know. Yeah, can you see this? maybe I can put it on my iPad. Yeah, it will be better, it will be easier for me to if I write this on the iPad. Okay, before 2019. Okay, this is 2025. Okay, let me. Okay, top 10. The top 10. Okay, before 2025. Number 1, China. Number 2, Korea. Number 3, Japan. Number 4, surprise, Bangladesh. Number 5, from Hong Kong. Number 6, from Singapore. Number 7, number 6, 4, 5, 6. Oops. China, Korea, Japan, Bangladesh, Hong Kong. Okay, number 6 is the UK. Okay, number 7 is Singapore. Number 8, Taiwan. Number 9, India. Number 10, I hope you can't see 10, Iran. Okay, I don't know. Can you see that? Now, this is the top 10 before 2019. Now, what about, let us come to 2025. Okay, number 1, top the list is still China. Number 2, Taiwan. Okay, now Taiwan go here. Number 3, Hong Kong. Yeah, Hong Kong also goes up. Number 4, Singapore. Okay, Singapore from 7th place also go up to 4th place. Number 5, UK. Now UK goes 1 place up from 6 to 5. Number 6, USA. Okay, USA is not in the top 10 list before 2019, but I make it to the top 10 list in 2025. Number 7 again is Bangladesh. Okay, Bangladesh dropped from number 4 to number 7. Number 8 is Myanmar. Okay, Myanmar suddenly raised to number 8 from nowhere. Number 9 is Indonesia. And number 10 is Korea. Okay, Korea dropped from number 2 to number 10. Okay, now this is some information that you can share, some interesting facts. Alright, so please subscribe to my channel, click like, and leave your comment if you are watching a replay, or write to me now if you are watching live streams. And the time now is 2:05. Maybe I can wait for another 1 minute before I stop the live stream now. So if you have any questions, leave your questions now, so that I can answer your questions if you wish to do so. Alright, today we have three viewers that left me comments, questions. Ryan Cole from Singapore, Stanley Lau, and also Riot19. Alright, so next week, I'll see you next week at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Alright, bye.